Hey guys, here we are at another new project. This one came out super cool. This is not a big space. We were restricted on this. Every square foot of decking that we could use, we used. We had a little more room on the patio. We could go bigger on impervious, but as far as build coverage, this was it. So we reimagined this space, created space up and down. I'm going to show you the space down below, but we broke it up, came out super cool, and they just absolutely love it. So come on, check it out. All right, so we come down here to this mid-level deck. We did a mid-level deck to transition because this deck is very high and we wanted to break up the space. We didn't want a big set of stairs because of the kids, because of grandma. So we took the opportunity to put the grill down here, which also works on another level because now when they eat downstairs, they're not coming all the way up to the deck for the grill. When they're up on the deck, they only need to come down to this mid-level. So it's a nice midpoint and really worked out well for this space. So come on, check out the rest of this. So right here, we had a tricky transition. That's the gate to the stairs that go up to the front of the house, right? So we didn't want them walking all the way down these stairs and then all the way up more stairs. So we put a landing in here, mid landing in here. So they can come across, it's an easy step and right out to the back. Also, when guests come in, they can hit that landing and they can go up to the deck or they can keep going back here. Now you see this patio is an oversized patio. And the reason we did this here, oversized landing really, the reason we did this here was for the kids. So this is where the kids can hang out. They can draw on it with chalk. They can have their toys on here. They can hang out. This is a great space and it's right off the main patio so the parents can watch from every different level. Come on, check this out. All right, so these guys are out here every night. They've got this great space underneath here with the TV, dry space underneath. They've got a heater, just perfect thing. Inside, outside, into the finished basement down below. And then at night when they're hanging out here, yep, we built in a screen. So now they've got a perfect screened in space so that they can hang out, bugs, doesn't matter. Even cuts down the breeze in the wintertime and gives you a little more comfort in there. So screens are back up and you take a look at this privacy wall. We did this wall, right? It blocks off that lower landing. It blocks off the back of the stairs, gives us some place to put the TV, right? You're gonna say, yeah, but Sean, won't the bugs come in up top there where the lattice is? Yeah, they would. That's why we put glass in there, right? We could have put screens, but if you put small screens in a space like that, they get all crudted up. They're open and exposed all the time. And after a few years, they're dark and dingy, right? So we put the glass in there, easy to clean. We put that decorative CNC cut lattice that we do, and we can do that in any style for a client, just to give it that cool vibe. So guys, beautiful space, small space, big potential. I hope you guys like the walkthrough and the design tips. So if I've earned your subscription, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and come with me on the next one.